My friends, today we are going to start class 12 chemistry chapter solution. Have you ever seen a solution? Yes sir, why not? We have already seen solution. Miranda, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, extra, many types of solution we have seen. Then, how can you define it? A solution. A solution is a homogeneous mixture. Sir, solution is a homogeneous mixture. What is the meaning, sir? Homogeneous mixture. Mixture is of two types. One is called homogeneous and another is called heterogeneous. When same proportion of substances are mixed together in all parts, then that types of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. And the proportions are different at different parts, then it is called heterogeneous solution. So now what we see, the definition of solution, the homogeneous mixture of two or more components which can be varied within a certain limit. Yes sir, homogeneous mixture of two or more components like water, sugar, many things which can be varied within a certain limit. Suppose you have 1 glass of water and you have to put sugar in it. At a certain stage, when sugar you cannot dissolve in water, this is a limit. You can dissolve sugar in water in a limited proportion, in a limited, that limitation, which can be varied within a certain limit. This limitation, with a certain limit, the homogeneous mixture of two or more components is called solution. Two or more components. Components means two types of components of a solution. One is called solvent and another is called solute, which has capacity to dissolve anything. This is called solvent, and which can be dissolved in other, that is called solute. That means solution is made of two things, solvent and solute. Solvent, just like water, which can dissolve sugar, so we can say water is solvent, and solute is dissolved in water, so sugar is called solute. The two types of components for solution. On the basis of nature of solvent, solution is of two types, aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. A solution in which water, when water acts as solvent, then that type of solution is called aqueous solution. And when other liquids like milk, alcohol acts as solvent, then that type of solution is called non-aqueous solution. We can say, now we go to a word concentration. What is concentration? The word which denotes how many amounts of solute or solvent in a solution, the word which determine how many solute or how much solvent in a solution, that word denotes concentration. That word is called concentration of solution. What are the methods for concentration of solution? There are many methods for concentration of solution, like percentage, molarity, molality, mole fraction, normality, formality, mass fraction, ppm. Now we start with first percentage. Percentage also of three types. One is called mass percentage, or it is also called weight percentage. It is denoted by W by W percentage. Another is volume percentage, V by V percent. Last is mass volume percentage, W by V percent. Now we have to see mass percentage or weight percentage. Mass percentage or weight percentage. W by W percent. It is solvent, it is solute, it is solution. Solvent is denoted by 1 and solute is denoted by 2. Here we suppose the mass of solvent is W1 gram and mass of solute is W2 gram. Then how much solution? Solution is W1 plus W2 gram. What you say, sir? Yes, I have 10 gram of water and we put 5 gram of sugar in this water. How much syrup? Syrup is, sir, 10 plus 5, that means 15 gram. It is our calculation. How can you obtain percentage? Percentage is always obtained by on the 100. On the mark of 100, percentage is obtained. Always. Percentage is always obtained on the mark of 100. Here, what we see? Here see 10 plus 5, that means 15 gram. 10 plus 5 gram hai. How much sugar? Sugar is here 5 gram. Then we can say 10 plus 5 gram solution hai, 5 gram solute. And thus we can say how much in 1 gram of solution? 5 by 10 plus 5 gram of solute. On how much 100? 100 gram solution has 5 by 10 plus 5 into 100 gram of solute. In the same manner, we calculate the formula of percentage. W1 plus W2 gram has of solution has W2 gram of solute. So we can say 1 gram of solution has W2 by W1 plus W2 gram of solute. So we can say on how much? 100 gram. 100 gram solution has W2 by W1 plus W2 into 100 gram of solute. Then we can make the formula of percentage, mass percentage. How much? How formula? W by W percent is equal to W2 by W1 plus W2 into 100. That means W2 means weight of solute, or W1 plus W2 means total weight of solution into 100. This is the formula of W by W percent. That means mass percentage or weight percentage. Then what will be the answer for this question? When we take 10 gram of water and 5 gram of sugar, then what will be the percentage of the solution? W by W percent of solution. We can write here 5 by 10 plus 5 means 5 by 15 into 100 is equal to 33.333. That means 34%. It is. Now you can write down. Then we start. on the same way, when we take volume percentage, V by V percentage, solvent, solute, solution, solvent is denoted by 1, solute is 2. When we take V1 ml of solvent, V2 ml of solute, that means V1 ml of water, V2 ml of milk, we can take. Then the solution will be V1 plus V2 ml, V1 plus V2 ml. If we take 10 ml of solute and 20 ml of solvent, what will be solution? Solution will be 20 plus 10 ml, that means 20 plus 10 ml has 10 ml of solute, and so we can say 1 ml of solution has 10 by 20 plus 10 and 100, thus 100 is 10 by 20 plus 10 into 100. Thus in the same way, on the same position, we can say V1 plus V2 ml has V2 ml and 1 is V2 by V1 plus V2 and 100 is V2 by V1 plus V2 into 100 ml of solute. Then we can write the formula V by V percent is equal to V2 by V1 plus V2 into 100. So we can say V by V percent is equal to V2 means volume of solute and V1 plus V2 means total volume of solution into 100. It is the formula for volume percentage. Now we can say, see, mass volume percentage. In same way, solvent, solute, solution. Solution is VML, solute is W2 gram, VML, W2 gram, 1 hat, W2 by V, 100 hat, W2 by V into 100. Thus we can say, we can write W by V percent is equal to W2 by V into 100, W2 by V percent is equal to weight of solute by volume of solution into 100. Now we can reach a time for my question. I am going to ask 5 questions to you. One is solution is a choice is here. Second question is what may be the method of concentration of solution. Third question is what measure ppms, and fourth question is mass percentage is denoted by, and last question is solvent is denoted by. When we score for 500, you may be green grade. When we score 1000, you may be bluebird. When you score 2000, you may be black commando. And when you score 5000, you may be red rose. I will gift you with great again bluebird, black commando, red rose. Then you can answer me on comment on YouTube and comment on Facebook or messenger of Facebook. You can sure give me my answer. Thank you. We meet tomorrow. Thank you.